Hey, if you own a BMW X5, you know it's a fantastic SUV, but sometimes the tech can be tricky. One common issue is the electronic parking brake, or EPB. If you see the parking brake warning light on your dash, it means something's up with the system. Ignoring it can lead to bigger problems like the brake not engaging or getting stuck. This usually happens after changing rear brake pads, since the car's computer needs to adjust for the new thickness. Skipping the reset can cause issues with the EPB. Sometimes a glitch or weak battery can also trigger the warning. A reset often fixes it. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your X5's EPB easily at home, so your parking brake works perfectly. Let's get started. Safety first. Before you start, park your BMW X5 on a flat surface and chalk the front wheels. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Connect a battery charger to keep voltage stable. If your battery is weak or showing warning lights, replace or charge it first. Make sure your workspace is clean, well lit, and free of distractions. Keep this guide nearby for quick reference. Now, you're ready to access the service menu and begin the EPB reset. Time to access the hidden service menu. Sit in the driver's seat, ignition on, engine off. Find the BC button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold it for about 10-15 seconds until the display changes. When the service menu appears, release the button. Use short presses to cycle through options until you find the rear brake icon. Make sure it's the rear brakes. EPB only controls the rear. If you go past it, keep pressing. It loops back around. Once the rear brakes are highlighted, stop. Now, you're ready to reset. With the rear brake menu selected, find the BC button on your steering wheel. Press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. This starts the electronic parking brake reset process. The dashboard will show a reset prompt. Release the button, then press and hold it again for another 3 to 5 seconds to confirm. You'll hear the parking brake motors working. This means the system is recalibrating. Don't touch any controls or turn off the ignition. Let the reset finish without interruption. Watch the progress bar or reset in progress message. This takes about a minute. When done, you'll see reset successful or a check mark. The warning light will turn off and a new service interval appears. That's it. Your BMW X5's parking brake is reset and ready to go. If the reset fails, don't panic. First, check your battery, charge it fully and try again. Make sure the parking brake is released before starting. Double-check the brake pad wear sensors. Damaged or unplugged sensors will block the reset. Inspect all connections and wiring at the rear wheels. If it still fails, there could be a deeper issue with the EPB motor or control module. At that point, a BMW specialist with diagnostic tools can help. But for most, following these steps will get the job done.